Is it permissible to donate cord blood after birth?
Cord?
Cord, the umbilical cord after birth. In NHS, they request and ask, can you donate the blood which is in the cord for research purposes?
Okay, if it's the blood, we can't donate blood anyway if it doesn't really affect her, does it? No. Okay, no problem. You can donate that as long as it's going to be given to good causes, halal causes. No problem. Donating blood. I will donate blood to Muslims and even to non-Muslims. But if that non-Muslim I'm donating blood to, it's going to be against the Muslims, I'm not going to donate blood to him. But you could donate blood to a person who's in need. Blood is a renewable, ikhwani. Like donating, other than the blood, or this belly cord or cord or whatever.
Placenta as well is in the question.
The same thing. Yeah, because it's like blood. But donating eye, retina, or buying kidney, that's something else, ikhwani, because after you die, your body is not yours, but belongs to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And breaking the bones of a person when he's dead is like breaking him when he's alive.